Women idolize you for many good reasons. As you think about them, we can tell the love in the room just towards you. They want to make a better lives for themselves the way you have for yourself. What advice do you give to these young women?
I think you have to, when you're talking about success, personal or professional, there's different things. Professional, I think it's the people who put in the extra work. I put in a lot of extra work, and it gets tiring. It's not the easiest thing all the time, but I always notice that even within my own industry, the ones who work harder, the ones who stay later, the ones who just are willing to do whatever it takes to get the job done are the ones who wind up going far. As far as personal success, I think, it's about being happy. It's about being good and whole on your own first, a whole person on your own, so then you can share that happiness with other people in your life, and that takes work too. And when you put in that work on yourself by exercising, eating right, doing your affirmations, that's all loving yourself. Then you can be happy because you know that you're complete on your own, and then you can have as many friends and great relationships, healthy relationships, because you will only make good choices for yourself when you love yourself.
You're a very wise woman.
Thank you. I learned the hard way.
Yeah. Let me ask you one last question.
Okay.
You're in the press all the time.
Yeah.
I mean, literally every day.
Yeah.
And much of it, I suspect, is not quite accurate. Many
Sure.
misconceptions about you exist. What do you think is the biggest one?
The biggest one? I think it's been dispelled over the past few years, especially since I started doing American Idol. I think people there was a lot of stuff written about me early in my career about being a diva, about wanting like white candles and, like all this stuff had to be a certain way, which was never true. But I think once I did American Idol, people got to see the real me and like me, a person, because I didn't have a script or a song I was doing. It was just me out there talking my feelings and acting myself. And so I don't know that I have anything to dispel. I am who I am. I think people know that at this point. I've been around long enough.
Well, I've never met you before. I've thoroughly enjoyed it. And Jennifer Lopez is no diva.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.